2018 CLA 250 with a stage 1 tune. Really nice Mercedes. I like it. I always like Mercedes, even though I think they're a little bit overpriced, but it's okay. They're still nice cars. Converter's up there somewhere. Then it goes, makes this whole loop, and then it's 2 1/4 into a resonator right there. I think he should take off. He probably will when he comes to pick it up. Anyways, maybe we'll have 2 videos. We'll see. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and then we did a custom Y pipe on it for him to get the muffler off because it goes single in, dual out. We'll let you guys see the muffler in a second. And then out the back on each side, as you guys can see. Did a muffler delete on this beast right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. All custom to the max, as you guys can see. So it's got a muffler delete on it right there. And it comes with the factory tips. If you want to change the tips on these, you got to change the rear diffuser on it to make it where it has a gap for those. Okay, because they're built into the diffuser. So there's the Y pipe setup right there. And that was the muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. See how it comes in single in, and then it has 2 dual outlets. There and there, as you guys can see right there and right there. So looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And when it's on the ground, you don't see anything like anything has been done other than just beautiful sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. 2018 Mercedes CLA 250 muffler deletes. Four-cylinder turbo. It's got that barbel. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Without them, it's 100. With the barbels, 105. That sounds good. Again. CLA 250. It sounds so good. I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Alright guys, we just finished a Tesla too. Just wait till you guys hear it. It's so loud. He's just picking up this, he's dropping off his friend for that Mercedes CLA. Well, we said we'll get you a Tesla video out of it. There she goes. Quick. Damn! Now the CLA with stage 1-2 E85 muffler delete. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.